Hello friends, welcome to our channel GK Earth English, where we challenge your brain with some exciting general knowledge questions. Today, we will explore 20 multiple choice general knowledge questions that will challenge your mind and spark your curiosity across a variety of topics. Are you ready? Let's start. Question number 1. Which is the largest city in the world based on population? Option A, New York, B, Tokyo, C, Delhi, and D, Shanghai. The correct answer is Tokyo. Tokyo, Japan is the world's largest city by population. With population over 37 million people, Tokyo is a global economic hub and the cultural center. Question number 2. What is the national bird of the United States? Option A, robin, B, blue jay, C, falcon, and D, eagle. The correct answer is eagle. The bald eagle has been the national bird of the United States since 1782. It appears on the Great Seal of the United States and is the most pictured bird in the country. Question number 3. World largest field hockey stadium based on the seating capacity is located in which country? A, Australia, B, Netherlands, C, Pakistan, and D, India. The correct answer is Pakistan. The National Hockey Stadium is also known as the Gaddafi Hockey Stadium. It is located in Lahore, Pakistan. It has a capacity 45,000 spectators. Question number 4. Which place is known as the Silent Valley of India? Option A, Tamil Nadu, B, Goa, C, Kerala, and D, Leh. The correct answer is Kerala. Silent Valley National Park in Kerala, India is known as the Silent Valley of India. It's Kirstine National Park in the Western Ghat that home to rare species of flora and fauna. Question number 5. Who is the author of the book Untouchable? A, Mulk Raj Anand, B, K. Natwar Singh, C, Mark Tully, and D, Anand Math. The correct answer is Mulk Raj Anand. Untouchable is a novel by Mulk Raj Anand published in 1935. The novel established Anand as one of the India's leading English author. Question number 6. The dish poho originated from which country? A, Vietnam, B, Thailand, C, China, and D, Japan. The correct answer is Vietnam. Poho is a Vietnamese soup made with rice noodles, broth, and meat or seafood. It originated in the late 19th century and is now Vietnam's national dish. Poho originated in northern Vietnam near Hanoi. Question number 7. Which of the following African continent's river crosses the equator twice? A, Congo River, B, Orange River, C, Nile River, and D, Yellow River. The correct answer is Congo River. The Congo River has the total length of 4,370 km. It is the only river to cross the equator twice. Congo Basin has a total area of about 40 lakhs kilometers or 13% of the entire African landmass. Question number 8. Which element imparts the green color to firework? A, calcium, B, potassium, C, strontium, and D, barium. The correct answer is barium. When added to firework, barium compounds produce a green flame due to their chemical properties when excited by heat during the combustion process. Different elements are used to create different colors in firework, like a strontium for red and the copper for blue. Question number 9. What is the average amount of saliva produced by the mouth each day? Option A 0.5 liters, B 1 liter, C 2 liters, and D 2.5 liters. The correct answer is 1 liter. Question number 10. What is the traditional folk dance of Sikkim? Option A Bihu, B Jhumar, C Tameng Selo, and D Cham. The correct answer is Cham. Question number 11. Which of the following was the official language of Mughals? A. Chagatai, B. Arabic, C. Persian, and D. Hindi. The correct answer is Persian. Due to their Persian ancestry, the Mughal Empire adopted Persian as a court language, making it primary language used for administration and communication within the empire. Question number 12. Which planet is made up of thick white and yellowish cloud of sulfuric acid? A. Mars, B. Uranus, C. Neptune, and D. Venus. The correct answer is Venus. Venus, Earth's twin, has a thick toxic atmospheric field with carbon dioxide and is perpetually shrouded in thick yellowish cloud of mostly sulfuric acid that trap heat, causing a runaway greenhouse effect. Question number 13. The Goho is a traditional and the national dress for men in which of the country? A. Thailand, B. Vietnam, C. Bhutan, and D. Cambodia. The correct answer is Bhutan. The Goho is a traditional dress for men in Bhutan. It is a knee-length robe that is tied at the waist with a cloth belt called the kera. Goho is mandatory for every man of Bhutan who works in a government office or school. Question number 14. The term put is used in which sport? A. Cricket, B. Golf, C. Table tennis, and D. Football. The correct answer is golf. The term put is used in sport golf. Miniature golf, also known as a mini golf or mini put, crazy golf or put, is an offshoot of the sport of golf, focusing solely on the putting aspect of its parent game. Question number 15. Which is the largest island in the world? Option A. Maldives, B. Seychelles, C. Bora Bora, and D. Greenland. The correct answer is Greenland. Greenland is the largest island in the world with a total area of 21,66,086 kilometers. It's located in the Arctic and the North Atlantic Ocean. Question number 16. The mushroom rock are found in which type of geographical area? A. Desert, B. Mountain, C. Coastal plains, and D. Plateau. The correct answer is desert. Mushroom rock are found in deserts. They are the erosional landform of the arid of desert region. The erosive power of wind becomes very high at certain height from the ground level. The resident rock take the shape of mushroom having a large top and a small neck. Question number 17. What is the name of the Australian animal known for its smile? A. Puka, B. Koala, C. Wombat, and D. Tasmanian devil. The correct answer is coca. Question number 18. Which fruit is a good source of potassium? Option A. Banana, B. Apple, C. Mango, and D. Orange. The correct answer is banana. Question number 19. Natural rubber is the polymer of which of the following? A. Ethylene, B. Butadiene, C. Isoprene, and D. Styrene. The correct answer is isoprene. Isoprene is a monomer unit that makes up the long chain of molecules that constitute natural rubber, also known as polyisoprene. It is extracted from the latex of rubber trees. Question number 20. In which part of the human body does the smallest bone is found? A. Nose, B. Foot, C. Forehead, and D. Ear. The correct answer is ear. The smallest bone in the human body is the stapes, which is located in the middle ear. It is also known as the stirrup because of its shape. It is about 3 mm in length. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy the video, please like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out our latest videos.